Hey guys, check this out. This is an old Cadillac Seville. It's got a clear coat and it's spider webbing and hazing up. If your paint job gets like this is the product you want to use. It's called Lukat Fix It. Watch what this stuff does, okay? Remember, this is not a it's a clear coat. It's one of those really good ones, man. These old Cadillacs, man, they used to put some really nice clear coats on these. I mean, they last a long time if you take care of them. Like more than 15 years. Look how much color and gloss is still on this guy. Now, I don't say shine gloss because this is a lot of clear coat on it. It's completely oxidized, but look at what you can do. You can bring that baby back. Wow. Okay, I'm not removing the color because I'm working on the clear coat. There is a lot of clear coat on this guy still. Okay, I use this, the Lukat Fix It. Can you see the refraction on there? Listen to this. It's squeaky clean because this is not a wax. Now, you do want to put something to protect it. We have this one's called the Lukat EZ Sealer wax. It's a really good blend of carnauba and other stuff that just protects the finish. Now we do the circles. When you use the cleaner, use it back and forth, clean it in sections. When you do this, put it on and let it dry. So you can use any wax you want afterwards. These are not for making the paint job shiny. This will clean the paint and this will seal the paint. And if you're happy with the way it looks, you can leave it like that. Okay? Okay, do it close up so you can see the clouds in the sky and get the sparkles on that thing. Going real close. Oh my gosh, go right here, look at that. You got refraction. Look at that. That is really cool. Did you get the sparkles? Okay, let me do it. I'm gonna try to get the sparkles, guys. This is just beautiful. Look at that. Okay, and that is permanent. Look at this whole car. Look how nasty it looks. Okay, it's flat, it's ugly, and you know what? It's elbow grease, guys. But you know what? You're not gonna spend $2,000-3,000 having to repaint the car. Okay, look at that. Okay. You can clean it in sections. You guys got questions, call us. If we don't answer, text us, and we'll explain how to use it. It's the Lukat Fix It and the Lukat EZ Sealer wax. It's 2 steps, brings back your paint job, save yourself a ton of money. Join us in our epic fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.